Hey, what's going on, guys? With another video. Today, we are reviewing the SolderNodes protocol. All right, so this protocol, first when I saw it, I thought to myself, okay, it remind me game. It's called 0 Hours. I don't know why, but this is the first impression that I got. Okay, so it's fairly simple. I like simplicity. And the whole concept of it is that you are buying 10 soldiers to create an army, and every army yields you one soldier every day. So basically, you are getting your entire investment back in 10 days. Interesting. When you go to their website, it cannot be more simpler than this. You see, as soon as you connect your wallet, so let's connect our wallet, shall we? All right. So you connect your wallet, and the first thing first, you see that their price, it says, is coming soon, market cap coming soon. Remember, this is like, a fairly new project. So I'm not going to hammer them on this, right? You need to upgrade your UI, really. Okay, you need to have that link. It's fairly simple to have that reflection of the price shows on your website, because people, when they land, they want to see something on the website, especially the most three important things, which is price, market cap, and also their actual staking balance, right? So this is just an advice. All right, let's take a look at they have a constitute your army. So right now, as you can tell, I have 0 army, 0 soldiers. And again, the whole idea, the whole mechanism is that yielding profits of 1 soldier every single day. So basically the mechanism is like you have 1 army, every army is 10 soldiers, and you get 1 soldier every single day. Price fluctuation, which is the real deal. That's the real world. This is just numbers on the screen. Now remember, everything that has a token in the market has a fluctuation price, unless it's a stable token, right? Or a stable coin. So your army, again, I'm not really staked yet, or I don't have any investment in this project yet. And I'm just doing my honest review, first impression. See what's going on with the project. I've seen a lot of hype around it, and also a lot of people asked me to do a review on this project. So here we are doing the review. But before we continue, let me take a sip of my delicious latte, shall we? All right, excuse me. Delicious latte. That's some Italian next level shit. Right. So World War. They have a world war? They want a rage war? What's going on here? World war coming soon. Interesting. I don't know. Is it a game? Is it... we need something. We need something. When you say coming soon, world war, that's some bold 2 words that has a huge amount of meanings behind it. But at least we need something. Is it an NFT? Is it gaming? So some simple clarifications here is will be appreciated. All right, so buy soldiers. Again, this is fairly simple, right? 4 pages, a website of 4 pages, and it's fairly simple. Now, go to CoinMarketCap right now. Let's search their SLD token. So we go CoinMarketCap. Right here, we see SolderNodes dipped 15.4%, and today only, they dipped 15.4%. Again, remember when I told you everything that has a token or coin, that means it's in the real world market. That means it will fluctuate unless it's a stable coin. So you have to understand that. It doesn't matter if you are generating some sort of yield, some sort of return, some sort of compounding interest, and all of these protocols, as long as the price of that token performs in a good way, your profit, it's subjective to the actual market. You may make a huge amount of return because you entered the protocol at the very earliest stage, or you may make a huge amount of losses if you enter the protocol at all-time, at all-time high right here at $22, or maybe $14.4. So you have to be very strategic. But the actual token price, I have to say, it came a long way, honestly, from 2.7, the bottom 2.4, 2.6, all the way to $22. That's some serious gains. I don't know if it's gonna continue this way, but charts. This is a daily chart. Let's go to a 30 minutes chart, and let's see if we can see something here. All right, so I see a massive sell-off here, and then some sort of sideways trading. But regardless, you have to understand all of these protocols are still new, still risky. Let me take a look at their codes. Our Avalanche ecosystem, okay. Let's go here, and let's take a look at read contract. Let me actually do this. Let me go to here. There you go. So I'm sorry, we are going into technicals right now, but I want to make sure to give you an in-depth review, because when I do reviews on these protocols, I'm reviewing them from actually putting my money into them. So I want to make sure that I go in every single details that they have and try to see if there's anything that is not looking right. Okay, so it's a Solidity, of course, and let's take a look here. They have overflow, okay. Then there's gonna be 0. Okay, dev returns remaining numbers of tokens that spenders will be allowed to spend on behalf of the owners throughout that. Okay, this value managed when approved transaction are called. All right, so they have a pretty large contract, which basically it's another copy, but it much more simplistic, by the way. Don't be fooled by the amount of lines here. But here's what I want to see. I want to see if they have audit. I want to see if they have an audit. I would love to see, because I like the concept. It's very simple. Simple always wins. Keep that in mind. If you have a great idea, no matter how great it is, if it's complicated, you cannot fly with it. And I see this team to audit their contract and publish the audit as well on their website. That will give such a relief. But other than that, SolderNodes, if you want to get into SolderNode, this is totally risky. I believe they are doing some sort of airdrop, if I'm not mistaken. But again, this is their website. This is their Twitter account. This is my review on SolderNodes. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please do. Make sure to hit the bell, hit the like, share the video, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter. And also write your opinion in the comments below. What do you think of this protocol? Is it something that you would throw your money in, or I'm interested to hear your opinions. Thank you so much. Have a great day.